Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make messages disappear on WhatsApp. It is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you ever done Snapchat, whenever you text somebody, the snaps disappear as soon as they open them. So in order to do this on WhatsApp, you'd simply want to go to settings. If you click on chats, as you can see, it is not there. But if you go back out of here and then click on privacy underneath account, you'll then see an option for disappearing messages. You can then start new chats with disappearing messages set to your timer. So when you click this, you'll then have a couple options to make your messages disappear. You have an option for 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or you can go ahead and just have it off and always keep those messages there. So do whatever you like, but whatever you set it to, that's when the messages will then disappear on your WhatsApp. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.